Alright, so here's what happens when you hold it. Ready?
Mm-hmm. Oh, okay, that one's called what?
Snowflake shuriken.
Okay, snowflake shuriken.
You mind?
The red.
And here's what happens when you tap. You tap 2.
Shoot that too.
Here's the next ability, called whiteout.
So it's like a little blizzard completely.
And here's the next one, called howling wind. I choose where it goes.
Oh, you choose where it goes. Okay.
And here's the final. Here's the flight. Tornado flight. It also does damage.
Oh, wow. Okay. So there's only 4 moves to it.
No, there's another move. I just haven't shown you.
Oh, okay.
You have to back up unless you want to die.
Okay. We're
Ready
here.
for this?
Go ahead.
Blizzard domain.
Oh, wow.
Being there.
Oh, okay. I like it. I like
it. For seconds going to die.
I like it.